Today I have some new equipment that we're going to be installing in a newly built home for safety. One of the fire extinguishers is going to go in the furnace/utility room in the basement, and then the other fire extinguisher is going to go in the kitchen along with the fire blanket and the first aid kit. Let's get started. The extinguishers we're installing today are the First Alert FE1A10GRs. They are the home ones. They are ABC rated, so this is going to cover most of the fires that would ever happen in a house. Trash, wood, paper, liquids, and electrical equipment. And then these are also rechargeable, so if you ever did use it, you could get it refilled back up. At that point, you might want to just get a whole new extinguisher, but you can recharge them if you need to. When you first get them, you do want to take a look at the gauge and make sure that it is in the green. If it's not in the green, that means it's lost pressure or is not even pressurized, or it's been sprayed. So it is a good quick check. You can check to make sure both these are looking good. And then you also do want to just, take a look at the extinguisher and you see if there's any big red flags, any cracks, dents, anything like that. Both these are brand new, so they should be good, which they are. And then you can take off this tag here that holds the pin in. I don't like doing that just because it makes the pin super loose, which could lead to an accidental discharge. So you can leave this on, and in an emergency you just pull right here, and that will allow the pin to be pulled out. Or if you just pull the pin hard enough, it'll come out. And then you do also want to take a look at the nozzle and just make sure that there's nothing in there occluding it, no dust or dirt or anything like that. Which, once again, both these are brand new, so they should be just fine, which they are. All right, so let's get installing these extinguishers. Well, we're actually going to mount one of them to the wall here. They're only 5.4 pounds, so it's not that heavy of an install, but it's still something that is going to require a mounting bracket. And then I like drilling the bracket straight into a stud just so it's not going anywhere. But we're going to go ahead and install this one today in the utility room. Let's get started. Right now we're inside of the utility room, and I'm thinking we're gonna install the extinguisher just kind of below this light switch here. I'd rather have it lower rather than higher, because if somebody younger ever needed to spray the extinguisher, I would want them to be able to easily access it. I'm not gonna mount it level with the switch just because I don't want anyone to accidentally hit it while they're turning on and off the switch when it may be dark. Installing these extinguishers are really easy. We're just gonna find where the stud is in the wall and then mount the mounting bracket right into that. So we'll use a stud finder down here. Looks like I'm gonna have to go over a little bit. And then you could use a level at this point, but I'm not going to do that. And then I'm just gonna dent the wall a little bit with the screw here just to kind of get an idea of where I'm gonna drill. Looks like we're gonna put a hole right here and right there with the drill. There we go. That one's in. All right, we are on the wall. Let's go ahead and put the extinguisher up for the very first time. There we go. And here it is. It's all ready to go for when you need it. Just come up, pop it off the bracket, take it, and run. Or I guess not run, but go save the day by putting out the fire. Pretty good. Okay, on to the next extinguisher. The next fire extinguisher and all of the other safety equipment I'm actually gonna put right here in the kitchen. However, I personally do not like to have everything right next to the stovetop, because if you have like a grease fire that's spitting everywhere, you don't want to have to reach across the fire to get to the fire extinguisher. So I'm actually gonna take this and move it, and I'm thinking we'll put it right below the kitchen sink. So that way it's tucked away. It's not gonna get dirty over the years, it's not gonna get damaged, but it's still right there ready to go for when you need it. And I'm also gonna put the first aid kit and the fire blanket under there as well. Kind of tuck it back here, and then the first aid kit will be right here. There we go. Now it's all ready to go for when seconds matter the most. So we have this fire extinguisher up here in the kitchen, and then the other fire extinguisher mounted downstairs in the utility room. That's gonna be my little safety video today. Thank you everyone for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Please have a great day and check out some more videos.